Hello guys, welcome back to another video. As you can see guys, I am here at Dwarka, Delhi. Guys, I will be here for some few days and I'm gonna vlog some videos while I'm here. Indeed, this is a very beautiful place guys. This is Dwarka. And guys, today I will be going to Ambiance Mall, Gurgaon, Haryana. So right now I will be going there. And yeah guys, I'll see you there. So guys, here in Delhi you can order your KFC from here. You don't have to go and stand there. You can just order here. Everything is here. Epic Saver, burgers. So everything you can order it from here. Payment will be here. Guys, this is Ambiance Mall, Gurgaon. Beautiful. That's H&M. Hello. This is H&M. Trends coat, pretty dope. This one looks dope. I think I might get this one. Nice. This is also a gold t-shirt. So this is Uniqlo store. Beautiful. Dragon Ball. Keren banget. Hi Hoa. Why am I not there? I don't know. Zara store. Yeah, Zara store. Oh, I see. What the hell? 만나는 가면은
Let's go back to the house. Let's go with daddy. Let's go. Papa time karangnya tangan ke coffee kena.
어, 꼼 정도나 어떻게 함께?
Langsung what? 6, 7.
In. Out. In.
Tiểu anh chị. Cô đu lăng nữa.
I just had snacks in the car.
So we are finally back. Wait for me.
Fight for me. Summer party ka. Summer party.
Mà flat to bên đây là phòng ngủ ấy. Mà flat có tại tổ quán. Cái kia cái ấy.